Create a drop-down list in Excel. 1. In a new worksheet, type the entries you want to appear in your drop-down list. 2. Select the cell in the worksheet where you want the drop-down list. 3. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon, then Data Validation. 4. On the Settings tab, in the Allow box, click List. 5. Click in the Source box, then select your list range. 6. Press Enter and then select OK. 7. Now, your drop-down list will work. 8. Check the In Cell drop-down box. 9. Click the Input Message tab. If you want a message to pop up when the cell is clicked, check the Show Input Message When Cell is Selected box, and type a title and message in the boxes. If you don't want a message to show up, clear the checkbox. 10. Click the Error Alert tab. If you want a message to pop up when someone enters something that's not in your list, check the Show Error Alert After Invalid Data is Entered box. Pick an option from the Style box, and type a title and message. If you don't want a message to show up, clear the checkbox.